Alright folks, well, it's Alan Rubel coming back at you for Ozark Mountain Outdoor Adventures. This is our vlog style video, and if you haven't noticed, we are in the great city of Seattle, Washington. I just made it to the Silver Cloud Hotel. This is my 5th trip here to Seattle, attending the Seattle Boat Show and helping out with Lake Union Sea Ray. This is one of the largest shows in the country by far. A little bit debatable if it's the biggest or not. I think it is. I could be wrong on that. Double check me. Hit me up in the comments. But this is our vlog style video. Man, I love the Silver Cloud. I'm going to give you a little bit of a walk around. You know, it's just a really super clean, super nice, luxurious hotel. It's right across the street from the stadium. I basically just walk across the road and I'm at the boat show. I love that. I don't have to walk a half mile, almost a mile to get there, or rent a car or take a cab every time, pay parking, all that nonsense. So anyway, I just got into the room. I didn't have much of a layover in Denver, so I didn't get to eat lunch. So I'm going to go down to Jimmy's on First downstairs, and that's one of the reasons why I love the Silver Cloud. Is Jimmy's on First, wonderful restaurant. But I'm going to give you a quick show of the room, and then I'm going to go downstairs and get me something to eat. Get ready for the boat show this evening. Stay tuned. Alright, 2 queen-size beds, big screen TV, desk, workstation, dresser. Get over here. I am on the 5th floor. The lady asked me if I minded any traffic sounds. I was like, no, of course not. We got our Seattle's best coffee. I'm a big coffee guru. I haven't even been in here yet this time. You know. But I'm just telling you, the staff and the hotel itself has just always been an awesome experience. If you ever get a chance to visit any of the Silver Cloud hotels, I would give them 5 out of 5 stars. I love the Silver Cloud. Got some food in me, got some rest, heading over here to the show. Work for a few hours this evening. This is Thursday, January 31st. Then I'll work it all day Friday, all day Saturday. Head back to Missouri on Sunday. So anyway, I got to go up here to the top level to the office and get a photo ID tag. This is the only show that I go to that's required an ID tag. I mean, you don't have to have one, but you know, $14 over 3 days definitely adds up. So I'm definitely getting one. So it's usually a bit of a process. Anyway, stay tuned. We'll be inside here in a minute. Alright folks, well, this is Seattle Boat Show's main room. It does extend up through that wall some pretty long ways. Silver looking Lake Union Sea Ray area right here. So all these boats are in the dealership. There's some low right there. Low for life. Some DVs. It's a huge show. Doesn't seem to be too busy this evening, but tomorrow and Saturday are going to be the big days. So anyway, I'm going to go down here and introduce myself and pick me a spot. Check out the what they have in stock. Well, a little bit of a slower evening, so I'm going to take this opportunity to film some of these low boats that Lake Union Sea Ray has on display here. So anyway, boats looking good. Usually the Friday and Saturday are the main busy days. So anyway, check it out. Nice. Get up in there. It's our new 1625. walk through. Let's get up in here. I want to open up that compartment. Oh, it's fuel tank. Fuel tank. Fishing Ski 1700. Some pontoons. Go check out the pontoons. The SF212 hybrid. Basically, you can do your cruising in the front, fishing from the rear of the boat. Multi-purpose style pontoon boat. The SF212 walkthrough here. This is a display. See here, running. There's Carl driving the boat. Pretty nice little video that Redfish. There's Carl. Hey Carl, how you doing? Yeah. Redfish, who's our marketing strategy, works with Love, took the footage from our marketing department and give to the dealers to run a continual stream here. Pretty neat. Look at that Fishing Ski 1700. This is an SS210 walkthrough. This is day 2. The show just opened about 30 minutes ago, and you can already hear the sound level increasing, so hopefully we'll have a busy day here at the show. And here during lunchtime, I'll do a walk around and get some close-ups of some of these massive fiberglass yacht style boats here that are being shown at the show. So anyway, stay tuned on this. Love the Roughnecks. Love the Roughnecks. I don't see any here on display, but this is in Washington. It's kind of specialized in DVs. Nice, these boats are looking good. Well, this is the 2070 Roughneck Archer. All you bow fishing fans out there, this is an awesome boat. I love the 2070 by itself. This is just a video that they have running here at the boat show, displaying the 2070, but you're looking for the perfect bow hunting or bow fishing platform. Here's the Delta Water, or the waterfowl edition, Bustin' Boat Blind on there. It's the 1860 model. Awesome. Definitely look no further. Alright, Breakfast of Champions here. Just want to point out that this was a $6 Coke. But I'm looking forward to getting in on this chicken strips and fries. Finally made it to Jimmy's on First. I'm going to give me some food. Wonderful atmosphere. About to be off my feet. Folks, well, this is another reason why I just love the Silver Cloud. Jimmy's on First is downstairs, and in the morning it is so busy down there. The first time I came here, I literally had to wait 45 minutes and ended up just getting a nice, Seattle coffee. But after room service, after, tip, this is just as the same price as really going downstairs to the restaurant, but you can order it and it can be delivered at the time that you're ready to eat, and you don't have to wait 45 minutes. So, omelet from Jimmy's on first. Thank you, Jesus. Captain America. Pulling out here. They're going to be pulling out for the next few days, I'm sure. I'm going to be walking down this road, finding us a restaurant to eat. Awesome. And everything. Yeah, this is kind of a rough alley to be in this time of night. But I walked up after. This will be in my vlog style video.
It will? Nice.
Absolutely.
Oh, so
you guys want to experience the Yago? Come on, Alan. Finally made it back to Missouri. Definitely Saturday was an awesome day in Seattle. The show was quite a bit busier. I was able to talk with several different customers, and then we went out to eat at 13 Coins, which was a pretty neat place last night for dinner. And then just a long travel day today, but I am glad to be back in Missouri. I hope you have enjoyed this vlog video of the Seattle Boat Show, and stay with us till next time.